Okay, in this first video, I'd like to show you how to make a graph in Autograph. So first, open your program. It may be on your desktop. If you can't find it, hit the start bar and type Autograph. And it should pop up there. So let's just wait until that opens. It'll ask you standard or advanced. I always choose advanced. And here's a 2D plot. So to enter an equation, if you have access to your keyboard, just hit enter. And the dialog box comes up. You can label the equation. Let's make a parabola. The equation input is pretty robust. It usually knows what you're talking about. For instance, for a parabola, I could say x, then use the shift 6 squared. Or I can type xx. It'll automatically do an x squared, or I could press x and select the exponent button here. All of those will work. Okay, hit OK or enter, and there is the parabola. You can see down in the bottom left here, there's the equation, parabola. So let's just see that again. So to enter an equation, I'm going to hit enter. If I don't have access to a keyboard, this equal button is for equation, equal plus. Here it is. Let's make a line this time. Y equals negative x plus 2. And there's my line. I'd also like to mention two things. One is this whiteboard button. It's on by default. That's whiteboard mode. I like to keep it on. If you turn it off, the lines will be thinner. I just like to keep that on. The other thing is this turtle. So in Autograph, you can say, hey kids, what would the graph y equals 1 over x look like? And you can discuss it with them, come up with some hypotheses. Turn that turtle on. Now when you enter an equation, y equals 1 over x, what's going to happen is it plots slow from left to right. And the kids can sort of be visualizing as that happens to see if the graph in fact looks like what they thought it looks like. Okay, to delete a graph, simply select it and click the delete button. I think I'll leave the first video there. Please have fun exploring graphing functions.